I'm going to show you how the preset programmability on the Rapide Cuisine Induction Ranges can be a real game changer. Recently, I was at a chain where they were having problems with pans boiling over, pans boiling dry, and burning products when sautéing. After a little study, it became quite clear that it was relatively unskilled labour that was turning the ranges up to full and leaving them there. The fix was to create preset programs. For the boiling application, they used the same pan and same volume of water each time. This lent itself to a simple two-step program where we would bring the water up to a boil and then back off and maintain a simmer. The result was no more boilovers and no more pans boiling dry. Next, we addressed the issue of burning when sautéing. Several dishes shared the same cooking process, cooking through a raw protein and then adding a sauce and heating it through. At full power, the proteins would burn, then the sauce would burn, and this would create a ton of bad food, a lot of waste, and a lot of dishwashing. It didn't take long for the kitchen manager to work out the best power and temperature settings and associated times to dial in perfect, repeatable cooking cycles. By the end of the visit, the kitchen manager was absolutely delighted and exclaimed that it would be a real game changer for the entire chain. It's very easy to program up to 6 different presets, each with a temperature or a power level and a time.